is Devanshu. Welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you all the steps. So all you need to do is just log into your Canva account and open your canvas. Okay, so this is the image template that you can see. This is where I have created it. So this is how I did set all these details, but do not worry, I am going to show you steps from the scratch. So what all you need, you just need a Canva account, whether it is a free or premium. I'm going to remove this image, so I'll go to images, and in images here I have searched for black grass background. Once you search for black grass background, there you can see there is an image. I just need to drag it here, and you can see background has been changed here. You want to make any adjustment in the background, just click over it twice and you can slide it through. So let me keep it this way. All right, so I'm done with this background. Okay, what I need now I need just text that has to be added over here. So let me go to text. Okay, so five uh, you know let's say awesome facts about Elon Musk, right? So now you can play around the text. There are a lot of fonts available, a lot of designs available over here, a lot of templates available that you can search from. So let me quickly align this. Okay, my bad. So making these adjustments. Okay, so if I want to put shadow etc, I can you can use these effects over here. So I basically use glitch effect. So you can use this glitch effect from here. Okay, done. Since I want to indicate people that this is going to be a carousel set of images, so you need to swipe through. So go to elements, you can search for arrow. All right, here you can find the arrow, just click over it, and here it is. I need to change its color to white, so go and change the color. Okay, keep it like this. uh, okay, let me align it. All right, so once done, now what is the next thing that you need to do? Image of Elon Musk, that is not there. So I have, since I have already created these images are available under upload section. However, you can Google these images out and you can search these images, so you can find all these images that I uploaded here. So this was the image that I have used. Now you must be wondering, there is a background, so how do I remove this background? So let me tell you, there are two ways of doing this. If you are using a premium subscription, it is pretty simple. Just click over your image, then click over the effects. Once you click over effects, click over background remover. Once done, in a couple of seconds, it will remove the background. Second option, even if you are not using the pro version, you can go to this website called remove.bg. So this is a free website, and you can upload your image. So let me find out where is the image, and go to any image, pick image, upload it, and boom, within fraction of seconds you will find it has been removed. I can copy from here. Okay, it has been downloaded since I clicked over it, but I'll copy. You can just simply copy image and paste it in Canva. I think this is where I was creating. So in the meantime, you can see the premium one has also brought this, but I'm going to delete this, and let me try to show you the one that I'm going to paste from remove.bg. Okay, so I have pasted it here. Now here comes the main task, that is how you are going to use this image. All right, so just let me zoom it in. Let's say I want to use this much of part. Okay,
This is not looking pretty good here, so I'll keep it at the bottom. Is it fine? You want to make it bigger? Okay, you can do so. You can do all the text adjustment as well, so you can find the relevant fonts. Okay, so there you can see, but since I am going to make it a carousel post, so let me do it this way. Okay, this much is fine, I believe. Okay, what is the next thing that you need to do? So next thing that I am going to do is I am going to copy this page. So just copy this page. Okay, you need to make adjustment in the background. Let me do that. So click over at the top wherever it is blank. Let me just adjust it this way. Okay, so I have adjusted the grass here. Second thing what I'm going to do now, I am going to make the required changes. Okay, so just bring it like this and done. Okay, what do you need to do next? So I don't need this text, or maybe I can add it later on. Just remove it. I want to use this image here, and image seems to, I need to do some effort since, one moment. Okay, so this is the image. Before I make changes in image, I am going to remove this text. Just give me a moment. Okay, so let me remove everything from here. All right, so make the changes like this. Okay, done. Now just simply drag this image from here to here. Okay, here you can see I am able to adjust it. Okay, adjust it properly. Are you done? Right, so can you see it here? Right, so it has been done. Okay, now next thing is you can add whatever the tags you want to add. You can do that. And if you have observed the image, you must have noticed that I had added, button of here, like here is a username. So how you can do that as well? So go back and okay, this is the copy that I was creating, right? So what you need to do next? You need to go to elements. In elements, you can search for capsule. So this is nothing but a dimension that you will find here, and you will find like this is different. Okay, these are the different. So here you need to basically find out. Here you will see there are a lot of designs available over here. You can find any of the design that you find relevant. Okay, these are related to medicine. Just go through here. Okay, there you can see here it is. Okay, uh, this is not the exactly one, but you can find different variants here. Here is another one. So consider, okay, this is the one that I have used. It's available for free. So just go here. I want to change, just adjust it wherever you want to adjust. Okay, and just put it here. Okay, now what is the next thing that I'm going to do? I'm going to change this color to white, since that resonates with my documents color. Now I can put the text over here. Okay, so let me quickly add some text over here. Let's say mid heading, let's say. Okay, at the rate, it's DIVYANSHU. So once you are done, you can put it here. You want to make it small, you can do the required changes. Once you are done with the changes, okay, so let me make it bigger. Okay, so make all the required changes. Once you are done, I can make it look bigger as well. Okay, I can make it bold as well. uh, okay, so now if you need to copy it to other pages, so one thing is, whenever you will be copying these pages, this shall get placed on every image automatically at right there. so you'll not have to do the required changes. Otherwise, what is the way to go about it? Just you just need to select okay, just give me one moment. I have chosen wrong image here, so let me quickly put a lock on this. Okay, so here you can see these are the these are the elements that you go to this option called group. Once you group it, so if you are going to move it, it will both the items shall move together now, right? So if you see here, I need to make certain changes in it. Okay, so let it be like you can make the required changes you want to do, like whatever the way. Once you are done, you click over it, and let's say I want to copy it. You can use Control plus D or Command plus D if you are using Mac, and then there is a copy that you can adjust through here, like you just bring it here. Okay, so this is how you can do it. So that's a quick way about putting your social handle. Then what are the major other details? So it's all about putting the details here. Then here you can see I did put this box frequently. You can do that as well. So just go to elements, and you can search for uh, rectangle or something, box or something, whatever the shape you are looking for. There are a lot of shapes that you will find out that are available over here. I perhaps chosen this one or something similar to this one, so I'm going to pick this one over here. Okay, it is available over here. Let me change its color. I'm going to change its color to white this time. Okay, uh, okay, I want to make it bigger now. So let's say I want to put it like this, half on this way, half on other screen. So once you are done with the shape, let's say adjust it. Okay, I want to make it bigger. Uh, I want to write something. Go to text. Okay, I want to add some details. Okay, so like write whatever you want to right here. So Elon Musk is not a hero but a superhero, and blah 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 stuff, whatever you want to type here. But the color you can see here is the same of a box and a text. So let me quickly change the text color to probably the default color. Okay, once you are done, okay, just adjust it here. Okay, adjust the size, dimensions, everything can be done here, right? So do it the way you want it to be. So let me do that. Okay, let me make it bigger since there is a lot of space, and let me adjust it this way probably. Okay, so this is just a simple text that I am adding. So what is the next thing that you have to do? Next thing, let's say I want to add some picture in this background. So it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. In case I did some experimentation with images and I got mixed reactions. So let's say I want to add this image over here. Then again just bring it here. Okay, what you can do now? Okay, put it here. Now if you look at this picture, this looks like it's a pretty kind of vague picture. Yep. So the best thing to do with this scenario is, okay, this looks like something pretty out of blue, and this is ruining our overall theme concept. So go to transparency option and bring it down, like let's say I'll keep it somewhere around 14 to 20, 21. I kept it like 26 I think last time. Yeah, so it's up to you. If you want to show it a darker color, you can do that as well. So I kept it like 42 now. Let's go here. Okay, and you can see I can make these changes from here. Yeah, Okay. Now let's say this is the image, and in this case this background is there. Again, if you want to remove the background, it's a pretty simple. Go to remove.bg, and you can copy it from here and paste it over here. Otherwise, I have told you another way. If you are using a premium version, go to fax and quickly click over background remover. Once you are done, it will take a couple of seconds to do it. Okay, I can increase the transparency. Okay, so now you can see it has been completely removed now. So I go here. Okay, I can put it like here. Okay, this is fine. Rest I can keep it in the second image. So this is how you have to make changes. Now again I can copy it, and the process remains pretty same. So let me quickly do it. I'm going to remove this since it won't resonate here. So unlock this and delete it. Okay, remove the text since it is not required. On another page you are likely to have a different text, and do this. And here you can see, just go okay, one moment, just click here and drag it here until here. Just bring this image here, right here. Okay, and the same degree. Just in case you are afraid whether you it is going to be there on the same place, what you can do, you can put the this arrow step. So go to elements, or you can write something like dot lines or something. So here you can see this is the image available. So you can put it something like this, so that there is no change in the dimension. So let me keep it here probably. Okay, now I can perfectly move it here. Okay, and I can adjust it here. So now I am aware that I have did it in a right way. Now what is the next thing? I can adjust this wall as well. So go here, let's say I want to use this much space, adjust it, remove it. So this is how you can basically do it. So then you can work on your finishing part.
Alright, now let me show you the first image that I have created here. So I have shared all the options, all the methods that I have used to create this image. Now it is your turn. Go ahead and create your first carousel graphic, and don't forget to tag me at the rate it's Devanshu to share your graphic with me. All the best.